And in the kitchen. That's the way it should be.
Why we have a steak today? No.
Steak day today because it's Sunday and it's our monthsary.
Oh, I forgot.
A few moments later.
Okay. Hi, this is Gabriel. And welcome to my
YouTube channel.
Okay, what is your name? Hi, this is Gabriel. Yalla, no?
I want to take a video.
Yeah, this is a video. And you need to say hi, this is Gabriel and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello, it's me, Gabriel. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
And we are the
Superhero.
Breton family.
And we the superhero.
And our superhero is over here. And we're going to the mall to buy what?
Chicken and fries.
Ice cream and fries. Because Gabriel is a good boy. So, he has a prize from Daddy. And it's very cold here. And our super daddy is very serious.
Hungry.
Because he's hungry. He need a chicken. He need a chicken.
Similar to Kentucky Fried Chicken, but Israeli style.
Yeah,
Roaster chicken.
really.
Roaster chicken. It's American style roaster chicken. Like beef or baked and R for roasted.
So tomorrow is lockdown here.
Tomorrow starting new lockdown.
So new lockdown.
God bless this country that's so stupid. Look at all the people waiting in line to get inside the mall.
Oh my goodness, Daddy.
Get all of it.
Where?
I told you, worthless.
Exactly.
We're going from the inside the ship on the inside the road. Better do it.
What?
beef. Ayan. May pa-steak si Mir. Nagpa-steak si Mir, guys. So, ito yung akin sa right side. Sa kanya yung sa left side. So, we have steak tonight, guys. Kasi napagod sa kaka-drive. Semester David Breton. Kaya, yan ang pa-steak, guys. So, wow! Look like tasty, guys. Oh my goodness. Naglalaway ako. Naglalaway na talaga ako, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya. With cold. May cold pa talaga. Another barbecue night. Steak night.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, take. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, take. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink.
Steak.
I like this spice. Lots of love.
How? Come on. Okay, how?
Man in the kitchen. It's the way it should be.
Why we have a steak today? No.
Steak day today because it's Sunday and it's our monthsary.
I forgot.
Yeah, of course you forgot. I didn't forget. You made sure I never forget after you got it wrong. You heard? She got it wrong. She got it wrong. I got it right. Monthsary.
Oh yeah, today is our monthsary. It's our 8th month together. And that's why may pa-steak si Mayor. So ayan guys. Kaya pala may steak kami.
Not only steaks. Show them. Real.
We have also a lot of,
Lots of meat.
there is
There's a little bit of vegetables. Not to say
we have chicken wings
Yeah.
and
Marinated chicken wings. We have kebabs.
kebab. It means like
You don't know what's a kebab.
no, the Filipino doesn't know what is kebab.
You don't know what's a kebab. You don't know what's a kebab. They have kebab in the Philippines. You have lots of Arabs in the Philippines. For sure you know what is kebab.
Kebab is it's a beef, ground beef.
Yeah, ground beef. It's marinated and
Marinated.
seasoned. Marinated and seasoned ground beef. So my wife wanted the tomahawk steak with the bone.
Okay.
And I choose to have the tomahawk steak without the bone.
Oh, without the oh yeah, I think.
Small tiny bone on the side.
Ah, you remove it?
I like meat. Bone, give to the dogs.
No, I like bone.
Yeah, you like bones. You're a farm girl, of course you like bones.
So yeah, admitted. I am a farm girl.
Yes, there's nothing wrong with being a farm girl.
So yeah, proud to be a farm girl.
Alright, so tell me how much you want your steak done, because this is done on the inside. You can see? It's done.
Wow. Okay, just turn.
I'll turn it around, let's see.
Wow. Oh my goodness, I love it.
Okay. Let's cut where it's really, really thick. Check if it's done. Yeah. No red inside.
That's perfect.
One steak.
Wow.
Let it rest now.
Well done.
So well done. Not one shoes. Right? Just don't want it so red. In the middle. That. Red. That's fantastic. Turn
Thank you guys. I love you all. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless you.
God bless you.
God bless you.
God bless you.